So what is the most amount of money you have made in a year?
25 million. This guy was a security. I was a security before.
Damn,
Okay?
Jesus Christ.
That is how it works.
Wow.
So that he's a security business doesn't mean that he will end like this.
Have you ever been broke before?
Of course, of course.
What changed your life? I want to know. At that point when you were broke, what kind of changed your life?
I distance myself from people. I distance
You
myself.
don't have friends?
I don't have friends. I just have G's, not friends. Why people are poor is because they are not focused.
Sometimes I don't even see buying land. To an extent, I don't see buying land as a big deal.
How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Right here we are in ShopRite. I am Shadrach by name, and today we are going to be looking out for successful business owners to interview them so they can teach us how to be successful. They can teach us how to be rich. I'm so excited, I can't even wait. We're looking for a great car here, so we go there and do our stuff, man. Let's go. We're good. Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Is this your car?
It's mine.
Damn, that's crazy. So what you do for a living? How are you able to afford this fucking car, man?
I manufacture paints
So for how many years have you been in the business?
for like 5 years now.
5 years. So what is the most amount of money you have made in a year?
25 million.
Damn, that's crazy, nigga. Wow. So have you ever been broke before?
Yes. Yes, now. Everybody have been broke.
So at that point when you were broke, what kind of changed your life?
I distance myself from people.
You don't have friends?
I don't have friends. I just have G's, not friends.
That's crazy. So someone out there aspiring to be successful, man, what advice do you have to give?
Just need to work hard. Try to distance yourself from people. You understand?
What kind of distractions?
Yes.
Thank you very much for the interview, man. You're a great man. So good. Enjoy, Nego. You're good. Ladies and gentlemen, interview him and know how he started. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, I'm Shadrach by name.
Please, I'm not disposed for such.
No, calm down.
I'm too across
Sir, good afternoon, sir. I'm Shadrach by name from Buyer Provide.
I don't want
No,
that.
this
I
is...
don't want that.
So, is this your car?
Yeah. This is my car.
Okay, so what do you do for a living? How are you able to afford it?
I'm not a businessman anyway. I'm a salary earned person. Okay, I'm a safety officer by profession. I base in Qatar. Okay,
Damn.
so yeah, I base in Doha, Qatar.
We have that stereotype that those that earn salaries are not rich. Like, I'm just crazy that you have...
It's not true. It depends on what you are doing, and it depends on your salary status. Most billionaires are businessmen, not salary earned. But you have to. Everything is a process, step by step.
Yeah.
With salary, you'll be able to establish if you are articulate.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. So what do you have to say about saving? Saving money.
Saving money is good because if you don't save, you won't be able to establish. If you don't save, you won't be able to carry out projects. You understand? So you need to work. That's the first step. This guy was a security. I was a security before.
Damn,
Okay?
Jesus Christ.
That is how it works.
Wow.
So that he's a security business doesn't mean that he will end like this.
So why do you think people are poor? Like, what is the reason?
Well, why people are poor is because one, they are not focused. You need to be focused. You need to plan. Whatever you earn, you plan with it. Life is stage by stage. Your salary may be 20,000 today. Tomorrow it may be 200,000.
Yeah.
Next tomorrow, depending on how you plan. And moreover, where any stage you are, try your best to develop yourself. Don't stay
crazy.
one place.
Yeah.
Okay?
Crazy, yes.
You need to develop. You need to study. Okay?
Yeah.
The little money you earn, use it to establish yourself.
Yeah.
The more you establish yourself, the higher you go.
Great interview, man. You're real good. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, well,
You're good.
all right.
Yeah.
See you.
Have a nice evening. Yes, if I want to become successful now, talk to me as a brother.
Imagine buying this whole place now, for example. You can't get this place even for a billion naira. Nobody will even sell it for you. In fact, for 10 billion, nobody will sell this property for you. But imagine people buying this property for like 5 years back, 10 years back. I believe everybody best in the world are involved in real estate. Yes.
I saw a video of Joshua Selman. He said that the pastor, he said that if you don't have the land as a man, that you're not even rich yet.
Uh, that's not entirely true, though. Though I respect him, of course, he's a man of God. I'm not saying it's wrong, but It's not entirely true.
Is land part of real estate?
Yeah, yes, yes, it's part of real estate. But you know, if if I have a million naira now, for example,
Yeah.
to put in my business, and I know I understand my business and I know how to get that money back from my business, I would rather prefer to put that money in my business as I'm going to use that money to buy a land. Because sometimes I don't even see buying land to an extent. I don't see buying land as a big deal. Okay, let me give you this instance. You might choose to buy a land today around here, maybe for 2 million, 3 million naira, and next year you sell it for maybe 4 million, 5 million with 2 million naira profit, right? But the cost of living next year or it,
Hi,
it has
I've never
changed.
thought about this.
Yes, it has changed, and
Yes.
you bought it for 2 million, 3 million right now. Let me say 3 million to be specific. You buy the land 3 million right now. Next year you're selling for 4 million. But you know the value of 3 million next year is not the same. It's not the same. Everything is increasing, so it's not a big deal. But if you have a business, something you're very sure, something you know the in and out of, I would really advise you put that money in your business, a business you understand, or not a new business.
So far in your financial life, what is the best financial advice you have received?
One of it is do not do not put an amount of money you cannot afford to lose into a business you're just starting.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Maybe you have 5 million in your account, you can't just go and put maybe 4 million or 3 million, something you cannot afford to lose. I would advise you rather start with 1 million naira. So if you lose it, you have another chance of going
Yeah.
back into
Yeah.
the business and
Yeah.
learning from your mistakes. But
Yeah.
if you put everything and it
Yeah.
crashes,
You're gone,
you are
man.
you're out
You're
of
out of
business.
business. Now, have you ever been broke before?
Of course, of course.
So what changed your life? I want to know because some people we are born with silver spoon in their mouth. So
Everybody has been broke. Even talking about being broke, I can tell you, even the big men,
mm,
the guys will look up to. Sometimes at the point they get broke, they're ups and down in business. So when business go bad, they can't do what they're doing before. Like maybe let me use Dangote. Everybody knows Dangote, for example. He might be spending 100 million naira every week,
mm.
but there are sometimes you see on news outlet that his business has lost a lot of money. Those times he's down
Yeah.
financially.
Thank you. So what do you think about loaning, going to bank to collect loan? Because people want to start business, most people don't have capital. Capital is issue. They say if you have idea, blah blah blah, all
Not
this stuff.
everybody even have access to the loan now, right? The bank don't just give people loan. You have to have something. And talking about loan, there's a crazy thing about loan. A lot of these big men, they might have 10 million in their account and they will go and take a loan of 10 million naira
Yes. Why? Why? Good.
because
Yeah.
they don't want to get stranded. So if, for example, I own this place,
Yeah.
I have 10 million naira in my account, and there's something I want to do that will bring me more money. Maybe I want to open another new outlet. Instead of me using my 10 million naira to open the place and I'll be down. I can't keep running the business. I'll go and take a loan, open that place. When people start paying for that outlet that I open, I'll be paying back the loan. Or I can even be paying for my money, knowing fully well. That's why I say you don't take loan for business you're just starting, something you already know how to
Yeah.
do.
Which when I play it back, I understand because you're going deep, nigga. I really appreciate your time. This means a lot to me. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, you good, man. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, nigga. Oh my God, Viable Vine, I'm so excited. We did this. This is my first interview with this rich man. Man, I never knew it's going to be possible. When I was going, I'm going to tell you, I was scared. I was dead scared. But we thank God, these guys gave us what we want. And we promise in our next video, it's going to be far better than this. Subscribe, like, follow us. For more, nigga. Do you want to be rich? Hit the like button and subscribe. Share the video. Thank you. Good day.